Bro.
Yeah, that's Corvette tax, man.
That's 2 tags, bro. I can't do that.
Well, when you called me, you gotta pay. You gotta pay to play, man. You gotta pay to play. You drive a borderline supercar, man. You gotta pay to play.
Bro.
Let's go!
So unfortunately, every time I get something nice done to my car, something bad happens to it. So in this case, I feel like my alternator went out, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. Got my multimeter here, got it set to 20, and start that up. Okay, 11.3, that's very low. I don't even know if that's gonna start my whip. Yeah, see, look, it's at 10.6 and it's dropping, so that means the alternator is fucking shot. 10.4. I'm gonna call my mechanic real quick.
Hello.
Hey, how much do you think it costs for to fix an alternator?
Alternator. What kind of car?
Corvette.
What year?
2009.
LS3, right?
Right.
We gotta pull your motor. Let's see. We gotta take a motor mount off to get to the alternator. That's gonna run you about 500,
500 bucks?
including parts and labor. Yeah,
So how much is gonna be with parts and labor?
parts and labor. Let's say, give or take, if I can get a good alternator from AutoZone, I'd say everything said and done, man, I can get you out the door for like $760.
Bro.
Yeah, that's Corvette tax, man.
That's 2 tags, bro. I can't do that.
Well, when you called me, you gotta pay. You gotta pay to play, man. You gotta pay to play. You drive a borderline supercar, man. You gotta pay to play.
Bro. Alright, alright.
Yeah. Alright, man.
Okay, so that phone call with the mechanic was a bit weird. He's acting up. So let's just do it ourselves. Run down to AutoZone. I picked up an alternator. Alright guys, and as always, we're gonna start by disconnecting the battery. Everybody always complains and sees this, they're just like, oh god, they freak out. I'm just like, chill. Any mechanics out there? Is that bad? Do you guys really think that's bad? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, we're gonna start by disconnecting these wires. Get that out of the way. And then we have this little bolt. Let's see what size that is. Alright, now you're supposed to have this specific tool, but for this occasion I don't have that tool. They didn't have it at my O'Reilly's or parts store, so I'm just gonna be using this. Be careful because this is gonna go back. Alright. Alright, now we're just gonna take this bolt off right here and the bolt down here. What size is this? This is a 5/8. Such a horrible angle that is that. This is supposed to come off with a flathead. I'll go get a. Holy shit. Seriously? Is it really that stuck in there? That was good.
Oh my god.
Not my fault at all. Oh shit. Oh nice, bro. Oh. I feel like this one's gonna be hard to put in. Now, moment of truth, we're finally gonna do this. Oh. Alright, you ready? Come check this multimeter. We're golden. It was the alternator, it's at 13.4. So that's pretty much it. Let's do a little pull for the end of the video.